Hello my YouTube friends! Today's video is sponsored by Owned, but I'll tell you about that later. There are a lot of people streaming on a laptop these days, and it's really tough to stream with only one monitor. But monitors can be really expensive. So today I'm going to show you how to use an iPad you already own as a second monitor totally free on PC or Mac. So you know what? Let's get to it! Likes and comments are super easy things that you can do to help push this video to a wider audience. So take a second down below and let me know how I'm doing and hit that subscribe button. It's totally free and it really does help me continue to make content that helps you. So we're gonna need to install a couple of things. The links are in the description so you can download and follow along. So the first thing we're gonna do is install Splashtop Wired X Display. And to do that, there is a link in the description for this page. And we're gonna click download for Mac or PC, whichever you're running on. And you can go to your downloads to kick it off or click down here in the bottom left. And the install just runs. It's very simple. When it's done, it will automatically bring it up. And the only thing we really have here to change is we can drop this down and set these both to high for frame rate and quality. And if we click here, you can see the monitor setup. We don't have it connected yet, so just my 3 monitors show up. Next, we're gonna install iTunes. And so we go to the web page and we just click Get from Microsoft, if that's who we're getting it from. And we click Get, and right here, it opens Microsoft Store. And we can just type up here in the search, iTunes, and we just click here to install it. And a few moments later, after what seems like an eternity for a small program, we just click open. It opens iTunes. We just agree to this and boom, we're all done. iTunes is completely set up. So the last thing that we have to do is set this up on our iPad. So we're going to go into the App Store and we're going to go ahead and search for Splashtop. And the one that we want is Splashtop Wired X Display right here. We'll click on Get. It's going to ask you to scan your fingertip. When you're done, you can just click open on it and we're all ready to go. When you start streaming, it can take forever to create overlays and alerts and transitions and all the other things that go along with a new stream. But today's sponsor, Owned, makes it so easy. Owned is a website that offers anything a Twitch streamer could possibly want. On Owned.tv, there are thousands of overlay packs with alerts and stingers built in, as well as emotes and badges, and like I said, just about everything you could want. But what really excites me is the Owned Pro site. On Owned Pro, you download a plugin for OBS, and in OBS, you can browse and select from thousands of overlay packs that download and are set up completely right out of the gate in OBS. You can add alerts and labels and modify the text and even create custom layouts in just a few minutes. And they all have custom stingers that are set up with the profile so you don't have to do anything. You just download them and they're ready to go. In just a few minutes, you're gonna have a professional stream that looks like you spent $1 million. The best part is for just a few bucks a month, and I mean less than that crappy Netflix subscription you never use anyways, you're gonna have access to every single one. So you could change it up on every stream in just a few minutes if you really wanted to. So take a second and check out Own TV and Own Pro. Down below there are links in the description for each one. If you have the means to support the sponsors that support this channel, it goes a long way towards helping me continue to make content that helps you. So thanks. That's super cool. So now let's get on with adding our iPad as a second monitor. So you're just gonna plug your iPad into the USB. Now you may have to click Trust Computer on the iPad and stuff like that, but that's really all you need to do as long as you have iTunes open and Splashtop open on the PC and you have Splashtop open on the iPad and you connect the cable. In a few moments, you're going to see that your monitor just comes up and there you go. Pretty cool. So if we go over here on the desktop, go to this button here, we can see our displays. We can click identify and you can see that my iPad monitor is identifying as monitor 4. Now I can just drag stuff right over to where it shows up in the monitor diagram and put stuff on my iPad. So this is the perfect place to put whatever second screen stuff you want. When you're live streaming, you could put your OBS here. I think this is a great place to put OBS on your second monitor so you can just kind of monitor what's going on. And on your other monitor, you can have the stream up from YouTube, or you can be capturing a desktop or something like that if you're doing a demo. or possibly even a game, depending upon how you want to do it. And if you're trying to game on your laptop, having a 2-monitor setup is really, really important. This is a really easy way to do it with equipment that you already have. You can play the game on the regular laptop monitor and monitor the stream over on the iPad monitor. Really simple, cool, and easy. And of course, when you're finished, you probably want to drag all of this stuff off the other monitor just in case, because you don't want something accidentally getting stuck over there and being weird. But when you do that, there you go. Now you have your iPad working as a second monitor on the PC. Free and easy. If you want to see how to add a second camera to your live stream, you should check this video out right here. Big thanks to the sponsors who support the channel. Their links are in the description below. I couldn't possibly do this without them or you, so thanks. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks that can help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.